All right, guys, so we doing tacos today. So what I'm gonna do on the side is a mango salsa. So it's my mango, my cilantro, some red bell pepper, and some red onion, some lime, some olive oil, oregano. This is optional, adobo, and garlic. This is also optional. And if you want to add anything else, say that. But we're gonna mind our business and we're gonna do this. All right, so first you put the mangoes in. Then you want to put the peppers. You can add more cilantro if you want. I don't like a lot of cilantro in my salsas, so not too much. And then we're just gonna add some olive oil to that. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. Too much because, you know, it's supposed to be a sweet salsa, so. But I'm a garlic fanatic, so. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add some lime. I always add orange. This is optional. I just like the acidity. Half an orange, not a whole orange. And we're gonna do lemon. Some lemon juice, see if you can catch those seeds. They always say, I think it's like this. How are you supposed to do it? Juice of lemon. People, like, a lot of people like lime. I like both. I like it all. Then after, you just want to mix everything up. Look how beautiful that looks. Nice and colorful, very summery. And it tastes bomb on a taco. And these mangoes, they're not really that sweet, so it's like perfect. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do chipotle cream with some sour cream and some chipotle and adobo sauce. So first I'm gonna add my sour cream to my blender. If you got the Mexican sour cream, you can definitely use that. If you got any type of cream, you can use yogurt if you don't want to put too much calories. I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna add it. And let me. Yes, alright, you gotta move around so that way it's not stuck, you know? So depending on how light you want it, more sour cream. Fish tacos. So, all right, guys. So this is my baked tilapia. So what I'm gonna do, I'm literally just gonna shred it up. Like, it's kind of stuck, but it's the most easiest fish to just shred. And I just baked it, seasoned it, and baked it for like 20 minutes. That's why it's kind of stuck, but that's fine. That's fine. It still breaks up fine. This is my favorite skillet, so it's like my everyday. And yeah, we're just gonna shred that up. I did 4 pieces, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is my taco, my fish taco. So I put the spread, I made a black bean spread with the tacos. Then I added the slaw and the salsa served with a lime and some guac chips. So it's really good, easy and simple.